Hello guys, I'm Marianne, and today I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProDentim before you buy this product. I also have two very important alerts to make you, so pay close attention to what I'm going to talk about in this video. The first thing you need to know about ProDentim is, be careful with the site that you will buy the product, because ProDentim is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, many people are selling this fake product on websites spread across the internet, and for you not to risk buying a fake product, putting your health at risk, and losing money, I left the link from the official ProDentim website here below, in the description of this video for you to access safely, okay? Now I'm going to tell you what ProDentim is, and how it works. ProDentim is a natural formula, with scientifically proven ingredients, and widely studied, to strengthen teeth and gums, prevent the formation of cavities, keep breath fresh, end pain, and bleeding. After many laboratory tests and studies, scientists have identified a natural formula with concentrated and potent ingredients, but very safe for your body, to provide nutrients and good bacteria, essential for good oral health, keep your teeth always strong and naturally protected, free of sensitivity, inflammation and pain, and keep your gums always healthy, ridding you of the predatory bacteria buried deep in your gums, eating the roots of your teeth, spreading through your throat and nose. Some dental products that we use in our daily lives can end up with the good bacteria present in our mouth, which are responsible for good oral health, for the protection of teeth and gums as well. The ProDentim formula contains 5 probiotic strains of good essential bacteria, which will repopulate your mouth, to preserve a healthy environment, naturally and efficiently. ProDentim will also benefit your respiratory system by helping your body get rid of allergies, as well as promoting restful sleep and aiding in good digestion. ProDentim comes in sweet chewable tablets, is an innovative formula that contains 3.5 billion probiotics, which are Lactobacillus paracasei, Lactobacillus reuteri, Lactis BL04, Bliss K12, Bliss M18. All these bacteria will promote good oral health, help in the health of the gums, decrease inflammation, assist immune and respiratory system, assist in cleaning the mouth and help maintain a normal color in the teeth. ProDentim also contains the following ingredients: inulin, which helps the preservation of good bacteria, malic acid of strawberry, helps keep teeth white, tricalcium phosphate, which supports teeth health, mint, keeps breath healthy, and peppermint, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. I will leave the link of the official site in the description of the video for you to check, okay? ProDentim will increase the production of good bacteria and provide essential minerals and vitamins for good oral health, helps keep the mouth clean, eliminating debris that sticks to the teeth, and will generally improve your oral health and well-being. ProDentim will treat inflammatory processes, eliminate your toothaches and bad breath, strengthen the gums and decrease bleeding, and also decrease the sensitivity of the teeth to hot or cold drinks. So yes, you can rely on ProDentim. The ProDentim will help you, and much to improve your health and oral well-being, but it is important you take the necessary preventive care, so that your oral health is 100%. Always remember to brush your teeth at least 3 times a day, use daily dental floss, and regularly visit your dentist. It is recommended that you slowly chew 1 tablet of ProDentim every morning, for at least 3 months. You will notice changes in your teeth and gums already in the first month of consumption, but on average, 3 months is the time your body takes to adapt to treatment, and is the time when other ProDentim users reveal they have reached high levels of satisfaction with the supplement. But each body reacts in a way to treatment, so your time to notice all the benefits may vary from other users. ProDentim is formulated for anyone of any age, and any kind of medical condition can take quietly, does not cause side effects, all ingredients are tested and approved. ProDentim is manufactured in a state-of-the-art facility in the United States, based on research and studies of doctors and dentists, approved by the FDA, is made under strict and accurate sterile standards, certified by the GMP, and is non-GMO. Many people are using and approving the ProDentim. You can also be one of them. Feel the benefits of healthy teeth and gums in your day-to-day. And if you use ProDentim, and for some reason end up not enjoying or not feeling all the effects of the product, you just need to request a refund, because ProDentim has a full 60-day money-back guarantee. The intention of the producers is that their experience with ProDentim is of total satisfaction. The ProDentim really works. If you are thinking of using, can use without fear, because I'm sure you will have a good result with it. Remember to only access the official website, to prevent you from clicking on some suspicious link and buying something fake, and lose your money. I left the link from the official website, here below in the description of this video to help you. I hope I have helped with this information and that you can enjoy all the benefits that this product has to offer. Bye-bye.